Hello, everyone. Welcome to the very first episode of the One Story Show. This is Shrikant, and before I talk about the podcast, I want to ask you something. Have you ever watched a movie or read a single line from a book and suddenly felt something change inside you? Like for a moment, you understood yourself a little better, or you felt seen, or you even remembered who you wanted to be. If you had any of those moments, then this podcast is for you. I have always believed in something. We don't change in big dramatic moments, we change in the small ones. A scene, a conversation, a habit, a choice, a story. And this year, I want to build a space where we explore those moments together in a way that feels real, honest, practical, and doable. So here's the truth about me. I've always loved movies. The way they make us feel, the way they make us think, and the way they reflect who we are. Books changed my life more times than I can count. And positivity, not the fake everything is perfect kind, but I'm trying my best today kind. That shaped who I am. But lately, I've started noticing something. We are all overwhelmed. Too much content, too much noise, too much pressure to fix our lives in one big jump. And I kept thinking, what if there was a podcast that slowed things down, that focuses on one theme each month, one area of growth, one challenge, one story at a time? And that's exactly what this podcast is, a year long journey, 12 months, 12 challenges, and 12 ways to become a better, happier, calmer version of yourself. Every month has one challenge, just one. Not 10 habits, not overwhelming to do lists, but one theme we go deep into. Here's a taste of the year ahead. No junk January. Clean mind, clean body, and clean digital space. Financial freedom February. Simple money habits that actually stick. Mindful March. Being grounded, being present. Active April. Movement without guilt. Mental health May is all about emotional hygiene. Growth June explores leveling up your skills. Joyful July, happiness through small rituals. Aligned August, defining and understanding purpose. Self care September, routines that refill your energy. Optimistic October is about rewiring your thinking. Nurturing November, better relationships, better connections. Disciplined December is building consistency for the next year. Each month, 4 episodes, each episode 10 to 12 minutes. No fluff, just real stories and simple actions. So, since you are here at the beginning of the year, let's look at where we are starting. No junk January. And this is just not about the junk food, it's the junk we carry everywhere. Junk thoughts, junk screens, junk comparisons, junk routines, junk habits, and junk self talk. Each week this month, we are going to declutter one part of our lives. In the next episode, we will talk about decluttering our mind, anxiety, overthinking, negativity loops, and how to break them. In episode 3, we'll talk about decluttering your digital space, your phone, social media, and notifications. In the fourth episode, we'll talk about decluttering your habits, replacing autopilot routines with intentional ones. And in the fifth episode, we will reflect and understand what No Junk January taught us. You are going to feel lighter by end of this month. Not because your life becomes perfect, but because you will finally feel in control. Because this podcast is also about storytelling, every week I'll bring in scenes from films, lines from books, lessons from characters, and stories from real lives. Not analysis, not lectures, just things that will help you feel something and things that will help you grow. So, if you're someone who wants to be more consistent, who wants to feel a little lighter and calmer, who loves movies or books, is trying to become their best self in small habits, or if you want to feel a little more hopeful every week, then this podcast is your home. So here's what I've realized recently. Most people don't need motivation. They need companionship. Someone to walk with them through the journey. Someone to say, hey, try this today. Or someone to remind them you're doing way better than you think and you can become who you want to be. That's what I want this podcast to be. Not me talking to you, but us doing this together. one month at a time, one story at a time. I promise you this. This podcast won't overwhelm you. It won't preach, it won't judge. It'll be simple, it'll be real, it'll be honest, and it will help you grow. Before I end today's episode, I want to convey one positive news for the day. India has crossed a meaningful milestone. Renewable energy, both solar and wind, is now contributing a record share of daily electricity across multiple regions, reducing coal dependence during peak hours. What's especially encouraging is that this share is not only from mega projects, but from community solar parks and rooftop installations, which are growing steadily, creating local jobs and contributing to the power supply. So, why does this matter? Cleaner air and cheaper power can coexist. Energy independence is not a long distance dream, but quietly unfolding. And why did I mention this news in this podcast? Progress doesn't always arrive with noise. Sometimes it grows with consistency. We often look for big breakthroughs in careers, in personal life, or in creativity. This news is a reminder that small, repeatable actions over time can result in visible impact. Which aspect in your own life could you stop waiting for a dramatic shift and instead double down on a boring but reliable habit? Let us know in the comments. And maybe that's something you can sit with tonight. Next week on episode 2, we'll talk about how to declutter your mind, how to stop carrying mental junk. This one's going to be powerful. So, if you're here to start the year with intention, if you want to rebuild your habits, your energy, and your mindset, hit the follow button, hit the subscribe button. The Warm Story Show podcast is also available on YouTube Podcast, Spotify, Apple Podcast, and Amazon Music. Share this with someone who needs a little positivity in their life. Thank you for being here. Thank you for choosing this journey. Welcome to the Warm Story Show. Let's make this your year.